This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Nice two-story home with 5 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Recent updates include newer baths, flooring, roof, windows, high Eff furnace, wiring. Large rooms and closets. Lots of storage. Main floor laundry. Large concrete parking pad for off-street parking. Great home for large family or excellent investment opportunity for rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at 712-255-7310.